When I was trying to get an office place, there was an office lease that I could get. It was in a building where I was working for another YouTuber in. And I was thinking to myself, that would be so cool in full circle to go ahead and get an office pretty much in the same location as the YouTuber I used to work for. I talked to my dad and I was like, hey, I'm getting this office, check it out. It's, where the YouTuber was. And my dad told me something that I actually realized was pretty good advice, but at the time I didn't really take it in until later. And he said, don't go back to where you used to come from. And pretty much what he was saying was, hey, look, that's where you was, but you don't need to go back. You know what I mean? Focus on new environments, focus on new experiences, focus on improving and being better. I go back. And I didn't really realize that till later because, I moved back to KC, I had a house there, and I realized that the environment was actually what I was running from. Going back to the environment is a completely different person when I lived there. And so I moved back to Dallas. Now I made an even worse mistake. I moved back into my old apartment that I used to have. It was a nice apartment. I realized that the secret is always changing your environment. You're not who you used to be at the end of the day. And so that's how I would look at it now. Everything for me is about mindset and changing my environment because I'm trying to become the next person, which requires a new environment.